Hello, it's Wednesday the 11th, I'm FxPlew and it's such a nice morning. Even Bert fancied a walk, so we're out on the common this morning. Now Reeves has been on, she is on a mission against petrol retailers profiteering from the Middle East crisis, where some prices are still around 130, 135, some forecourts have been reported as high as 180, which is clearly taking the piss, and it's a priority for Reeves to stop. She is meeting companies hoping to reduce prices at the pumps, which is very noble, but her critics say the effort is motivated so she can keep her 5p fuel duty hike in place. David Miles has been on. He's a top economist at the OBR and he has warned inflation could be stuck at 3% by year end if oil and gas prices stay high. Their forecast was for a drop to 2%, but the fresh energy crisis will be completely unwelcome for the UK economy, as the UK is a net energy importer. So all in all, Q1 is shaping up to be a fairly shaky start to the year. Weak employment numbers, sluggish growth, weak political leadership, get my teeth in. The expected drop in inflation was supposed to be a bright spot to drive further rate cuts. But then Trump and Israel kicked off with Iran, disrupted everything and gave policymakers a bit of a headache. Over in the US, Fed Chair in waiting, Kevin Warsh, is due to meet Senator Tillis this week. Tillis is the senator happy to block the Warsh nomination until Trump drops or concludes his investigation into Powell. As things stand, Powell's term ends on May the 15th, but he can continue to serve on the Fed board until January 28. Chuck Schumer has been on. He is the Senate Minority Leader and he has called Trump out on Trump's bullshit. Where dear old Donald claimed that Iran used Tomahawk missiles on a girls' school, Schumer piped up to clarify that Iran does not have any Tomahawk missiles and called on Trump to do better with his chat. Bravo, Schumer. In the market, the dollar remains in a relatively tight range and the dollar index closed just shy of the 99 mark yesterday. We kick off this morning, we're fairly flat against the dollar, around 134.35. We're a little lower against the euro, about 115.50, and euro dollar is down a touch, around 116.20 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.